Hi everyone, it's Jessica from VFFICE, and today I'm excited to present a new feature in Business Central version 25, and that is the Power BI reports. So, as you may already know, Power BI is a powerful app developed by Microsoft, and it's used to create interactive dashboards and interactive reports. Typically, Power BI is used on a separate application than Business Central. However, with this new feature, you'll be able to access some Power BI reports directly in Business Central, so you won't have to switch between different apps. So let me show you what I mean. If you open up your home page and you go to All Reports, you'll see some new Power BI reports that were added by Microsoft. So these are pre-made reports and they're ready to use out of the box. They can be customized and I'll talk about that a little bit later. So these include some important KPIs that are interesting in your different departments. So we have finance, we have projects, we have inventory and purchasing, we have sales and marketing, and we have some manufacturing reports as well. Let's take a look at finance. So here you'll see some important financial KPIs that Microsoft believes most companies like to see. So here we'll have return on assets, for example, or top 5 customers. And as if you were in Power BI, you can also filter. For example, if I want to look at tray research, I could press here and I'll have a filtered view of that. On the side here, you could also filter by many different things, just as if you were in the Power BI app. There are other financial reports we can see here. Examples would be income statements, profitability, for example. So let's go back and let's take a look at sales. So if I want to look at sales reports, so again, here I'll have a main dashboard with an overview of some sales KPIs, and I can go more into details. For example, if for daily sales, as an example, I can look at sales by item. So it's super interesting. So feel free to really look at all the different reports that were added by Microsoft. It's important to note that to use these reports, your company needs to have a Power BI license. And if you would like to purchase a Power BI license, our support team can help you with that. If you have any other questions about these new reports, please feel free to let us know. We can help with setting up the new reports. We can also help with customizing, as I was saying before. So if there is some changes you would like to make to some reports, or if there are new reports you would like to add to your BC company, we can help with that as well. And any other questions you might have. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.